In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off and disable your metered connection on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select on the left panel where it says network and internet. And then on the right side, it should say Ethernet or Wi-Fi at the top, depending on your connection type. Select it. And then scrolling down underneath metered connection, click inside this oval to toggle to the off position. And that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.